Hey there, class. I wanted to talk to you. I have a list of things I wanted to discuss. The main things are just midterms, talking about the essays briefly, your feedback on the on evaluations at the halfway point, and then just a late work reminder. So, starting with midterm feedback, I really enjoyed reading your essays. Um, I feel like there were just really profound things that you shared in these essays. I love that. I don't expect it. I don't say make sure that what you're doing isn't, obvious, dig deeper. I don't usually say that because I don't want you to feel crippled and feel like, oh, I don't know what I have to say is valuable. Um, but even though I don't give you that guideline, I just love seeing the arguments you make and why you make them and the sections of text that spoke to you. I just thought it was special. So I loved reading your pieces. Um, and so that's great. And we're moving forward. Um, from the midterm feedback, I really appreciated reading it. I don't see who wrote each piece of feedback, but I see, the things that you say are going well in the class and the things that you'd like to have be strengthened. Um, and I loved seeing a lot of things that are going smoothly. It feels like you get the pace of the class and you're moving forward well, and you're liking our discussions, and just things are going well. So that's wonderful. The feedback I got from two students specifically was that the discussion boards we have, the questions for your classmates discussion boards, are problematic because they require you to post on two separate days, but the iLearn calendar checks it off. Once you've written, it checks it off so you don't see that you have to do it again. And so that's frustrating. And one of the students is saying, I post once, I got a D, or I posted several times, but all on one day and got a low grade. And so for grading purposes, to grade the assignment, if you post on two separate days, then I'm giving you full points, so there's no mystery involved. Um, if you're posting on one day, you will not achieve full points because it is a conversation throughout the week. Um, and if you're just posting one initial thread, you've done half of what you were asked to do, so you're going to get 5 out of 10. It doesn't mean the quality of your post is bad. I'm not judging quality in these boards. That said, there have been some really wonderful discussions. I wanted to highlight one of them. Deb McKiff posted about. I just loved what she did. She said, we're reading "Death Comes for an Archbishop." Here's this great quote. What do you think about Bishop Latour's description of how he perceives miracles? How do you perceive miracles? Um, and I don't know, I think it was great for her to address something that stuck out to her from the text. And then if you look at our responses, Geneva saying, I think you picked one of the most beautiful passages. Um, and then I love this. Dee's like, well, I don't know if I agree with his perception of miracles. And then Deb responds, and then Dee responds, and then Deanna's in here and back with Deb, and I'm commenting. And it was just a really special discussion because miracles are important to us. And really knowing people is important to us. It was a special conversation. So if you're approaching the discussion boards as a hoop to go through, right, a hoop to jump through, then you'll post on two separate days and be done, right? But if you're approaching it as a discussion, like the way the learning model is asking for it to be, and you're going into a discussion saying, how can I make this matter? What can I share? What can I ask? How can this matter? We can have some really wonderful conversations. So I want to. I want them to be, I want us to have great conversations. Can you think of a better way, though, to handle a discussion board where iLearn only gives you it gives you credit once you've posted once? Can any of you think of a scenario that would make this easier? Do you feel like it would be better if we shaped it better so that it was like make your initial post by Wednesday and then make your next posts by Saturday? If we did that, I think the calendar would make sure that you did both things, right? So would that help you if we did, um, you know, make your first post by Wednesday, make your other posts by Saturday? Because if you'd like that, I can put that forward to the course council. So just let me know what you think. I want this to be a good experience. I want it to be a great experience, and I don't want it to bug you. So will you please email me if you have some feelings on that? Um, and the final thing is just the late work reminder. Our syllabus talks about if you submit anything late, it's a 0. And I haven't done that very much, because a lot of you have communicated with me that, your computer was smoking and steaming on Saturday night, and things like that happen. So just communicate with me. Work to get things done on time. If you don't have it done on time, I will still read it if you submit it late. I just won't give you potential for full credit unless there's, a huge reason why. But thank you so much for the good work you're doing. Keep staying invested. Let's keep staying tethered to academia even in this wonderful summertime. Just let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.